Well, I think I know why all these pelicans are here. They're not very fond of me. There's like a whole crap load of pelicans in these little trees and fish jumping out of the water. What the hell is that noise? Look at them all. They're all looking at me. They're like, attack the pelicans. Oh my God. Hope they don't come after me, because maybe this is their roosting spot. Jeez, there's a pelican right there. They're all like, what are you looking at? They don't like it at all. They're everywhere. I'm gonna get killed by pelicans. I can see it. Oh my God, pelicans. Look it, they're everywhere here. You do not like my face.